Hello, I'm Kanak, and along with my friend Manas, we developed Optim, a platform where funders can host optimization market competition using a bounty function where the contestant who submits the value that maximizes the output wins a prize. This dApp was developed using Reachlang and React with the CI/CD pipeline developed using GitHub Actions and Netlify.
We import the bounty function from another reach file, which is generated by our CI pipeline. We have our interface objects for funder, contestant, and a monitor interface, which is used to ping the front ends about submissions so that they can form a leaderboard. The funder declassifies the bounty information and pays and publishes the relevant amount, and the funder front end is pinged about the submissions. Then each contestant is informed about the bounty, and then in a parallel reduce logic, it checks if a contestant has made some submission. If it is a valid submission, then their submission is extracted and evaluated upon the bounty function, and the monitor is informed about the submission of a value. Then their submission is compared with the current winner's value, and if it's a better solution, then the current winner is updated. Also, all contestants are informed which contestant's value has been evaluated, so that the ones who have lost the race can retry. Then we have the timeout block, and finally, when the deadline is reached, the amount is transferred to the winner. This is the CLI test version of our application running.
So this is the home page of our application. A funder can make a new Optim context here. They can specify their name, the deadline in terms of the number of transaction blocks, their wager, and the token they can pay in. It can be one of it and algo, and they can set their own subdomain. That would generate a specific subdomain for each contest. Now, when they click pay and submit, uh, it it compiles and request for wager. We have fast forward the process because this takes a bit of time. After this deployment is complete, they can visit their website, and this is the page that each contestant would see. It shows deadline, it shows the function, and we need the address because we need it to show the leaderboard. So when contestant wants to submit a new solution, they can click on submit a solution button and submit a input value to this particular function. Algorand takes around three signing requests to complete a particular interaction with the contract. Once this is completed, they can check out their transaction on the application ID on Algo Explorer. After the competition has ended, contestants can see the leaderboard to check out who win and what input they submitted. The transferring money to the winner takes one last interaction, which can be triggered using transfer to money to winner button. As we can see on the Algo Explorer, the transaction has been done and the contract has been destroyed, and we can see that the contestant's balance has increased to 19. We can see it from the before that the actual balance before the transaction was 9.9.
We knew to blockchain and smart contracts and had to understand a lot of hard blockchain terms and how each actually functions. So we had several chats with people on the help Discord channel and calls with Jay and Zed who assisted us. We also got some typical issues with Reach, including an issue with the algo mode in browser with some internal API failing. With no apparent solutions available, we ended up opening issues on the Reachlang GitHub repo.
In the future, we wish to develop a page on our landing website where contestants can discover active contests. Thank you so much. Visit optim.tech to host your own competition.